Hello ECE families, today is Tuesday, June 2nd, 2020. It is the 169th day of school. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I hope everyone had a great day yesterday. We've been having some beautiful weather, so hopefully you were able to get outside and enjoy that. Let's talk about today's DI activities. For ELA, your child's teacher is going to be building vocabulary. One of the best ways to build vocabulary is through exposure. So your child's teacher may pull out some new vocabulary words, have your child learn about them through identification, hearing them, being able to recall what the definition is, being able to weave these new vocabularies and emphasize this new vocabulary in natural conversation is a great way to help build a child's vocabulary and their repertoire. Moving on to math, your child's teacher is going to be talking about comparing quantities. What's great about this is your child's teacher is really going to start honing on some specific words like greater than, less than, even more, less, and equal to. But the cool thing about this is using tangible items to be able to identify and represent a specific number. For example, if your child's teacher says, hey Johnny, can you go find me 2 objects? Your child might come back with 2 objects. Your child's teacher may even take it a step further and say, go find me 3 blue objects. So now they're even sorting and classifying, which there's a lot of different avenues and a lot of different variations for this activity. But it's amazing that, your children are really, especially at this stage in the game, really being able to put those numbers and that quantity together. Rounding out our day today, you have your free choice activity and you also have your gross motor activity. Gross motor activity is a family favorite down here. It's called the wheelbarrow puzzle walk. What you do is you get your child into the wheelbarrow position, their hands on the floor, you're holding their feet, and using those chunky puzzles I find works best. Scatter those puzzle pieces around the floor and then have your child do the wheelbarrow to go pick up a piece and then go bring it back to the puzzle board and insert it. If those puzzle pieces, I know the chunky ones are sort of clunky and maybe a little bit hard to manipulate, this does work well with socks and especially sorting socks. So I usually take 2 or 4 pairs of socks, and then what you do is just kind of scatter them around the floor and then have your child find the matches. So find one, drop it in the bowl, go find the second match, drop it in the bowl, and then start again with a new pair. It's a fun activity. You can pretty much do this with anything. Just get a container if you don't have any puzzles, and then they can drop the items in the container. Like I said, you also have your free choice activities today, Cosmic Kids Yoga, Art Hub for Kids, Storyline Online are all great suggestions. So I hope you enjoyed today's activities and we will chat tomorrow. Bye.